Good morning, everyone. I'm Adi from Basing School Simpan Masjid Sumbutumbut. Uh, Astagfirullah. I forget to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then right now I'm in the kitchen, live from kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, yeah, to support our channel. Inshallah, we're going to make it a new channel, and not new channel. I mean new video, right? Um, yeah, inshallah. Just was that tap subscribe, like, comment, and share. Um, this morning I think I will try to respond to a question, and there is a question about the WhatsApp group, right? How important this application to improve our English? Okay. If the question about this application WhatsApp, I think yeah, it's good. It's good to improve your English. But all right, I would say, but mostly I think well, we just join. We join a WhatsApp group, but we never try to practice. I think it is the same as you have maybe motorcycle, right? Or I can say you have a car, maybe fast car, yeah, uh, or or a great motorcycle. I don't really know, right? Well, I can say maybe the brand new one, right? But you never try to ride it or drive it. For the car, I think we'll never know, right, how fast your your vehicle or your motorcycle or car. So I want to tell you that a group or WhatsApp group is very good, the best one to improve your communication skill. But don't forget, uh, yeah, I want to say that if you are not active in it, you're just being silent members. Never say hello, hi, or greet, or maybe you involve in conversation. It will be wow, yeah, at least, right? If we want to talk something better, yeah, a group must have topic to discuss, right? A group must have the topic to discuss, but it must be for the advanced level. For the beginner, I think to grade one another, I think it has been great. But for I can say higher or the highest level, I think yeah, a group or WhatsApp group needs I can say needs a topic to discuss, to invite people to discuss it. And again, if you're just silent, you never try to involve in conversation, you never try to comment on, to share your ideas. I think, wow, it's the same as when you have a car, when you have a motorcycle, but you never want to ride or drive it, right? So my advice, I think, it's not only WhatsApp, right? But you have so many applications like Facebook, Telegram, YouTube, and so on. You use those applications to improve your English, and do not be passive one or being passive one, because to improve our English, we must be active. Active here, we are trying to, yeah, maybe to chat, right? To type, right? Or to open our mouth, open up, open our mouth like that to say something. Uh, Telegram or WhatsApp, they have, I can say, what is that? Voice note or voice message, right? You can send voice note to improve your communication skill. Or if you are shy, you just type. But if you are passive, wow, as I told you before. So that my answer. That's application is great. WhatsApp is great. Facebook is great. YouTube is great. Many things they are great, right? Now it depends on us. If we want to be better, we have to use it. Don't be the passive one. Alright, I think that's it. I'm Adi from Basking Schools in Pranamaja and Membuat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.